Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the third question of exercise 9.2 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. Here the question is, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. Here you can see a circular sheet. First, we have to find the radius of this circular sheet. After that, area. Here you can see two terms, that is circumference and area. What is the difference between circumference and area? Circumference means the length of the boundary only. But in area, we have to consider the inner portion also. And formula for finding the area of a circle is pi r square. So for getting the area, we need radius here. Here, perimeter of this circular sheet is given, that is P, that is equal, perimeter is 2 pi r, that is equal to 154 meter. From this we can find the radius. After that we can find the area. So first let us find the radius of this circular sheet. Always draw the rough sketch of the figure. And first write what are given here. Here it is given perimeter of the circular sheet equal to 154 meter. Here write the formula for perimeter, that is 2 pi r equal to 154 meter. Now we can put the values. 2 into 4 pi, it is 22 by 7 into r, that is radius that we have to find out. So write as it is, that is equal to 154 meter. Now we have to get r along here. So we have to take 22 by 7 and 2 from LHS to RHS. This is LHS and this is RHS. So we can write R equal to, first write 154 meter. Then since 7 is in the denominator, when we take 7 to the right hand side, it will be in the numerator, that is 154 meter into 7. Then 2 and 22 are in the numerator, so it will be in the denominator here, divided by 2 into 22. Or you can use another formula, that is we know 2 pi r equal to, that is perimeter P. Then for finding r equal to perimeter divided by 2 pi. And here if we substitute the values, this will be equal to, here the perimeter is 154 meter, then divided by 2 into pi is 22 by 7. That is equal to 154 meter divided by 2. Now since 22 by 7, it is a fraction in the denominator, we have to take the reciprocal of this. That is reciprocal of 22 by 7 is 7 by 22. And here you multiply with that. That is 7 divided by 22. That is here what we get, 154 meter into 7 divided by 2 into 22. The same only we are getting. Here I am dividing 2 and 154 by 2. 2 divided by 2, it is 1. Here since 1 is less than 2, take 5 with 1, that is 15. So here we get 7 2s are 14. So this is 15 and 7 2s are 14. So here we get the remainder 1. So write 1 here and write the next digit with this one, that is 14. Now the dividend is 14. When we divide this 14 by 2, we get 7 here. So this becomes 77 meter into 7 divided by 22. Now we can divide 22 and 77 by 11. That is 22 divided by 11. It is 2. 77 divided by 11. It is 7. So this becomes 7 meter into 7 divided by 2. That is equal to 7 sevens are 49 divided by 2 meter. That is equal to, when we divide 49 by 2, we can divide by 2, that is 2 divided by 2, it is 1. Here 4 divided by 2, it is 2. 9 divided by 2, 4 times, that is we get 4 here and remainder 1. Next, there is no digits here, so put 0 here. Before that, you have to put a decimal here. Now the dividend is 10. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. So this is equal to 24.5 meter. That is, radius of this circular sheet is 24.5 meter. Next, we have to find the area of this circular sheet. First, let us write the formula. Area of the circular sheet equal to pi r square, that is equal to pi into r, that is equal to pi is 22 by 7 into r. Here we got it as 24.5, or you can write 49 by 2 also. Here I am writing 49 by 2 meter into 49 by 2 meter, because it will be bit easy to do simplification. This is equal to, here we can cancel 7 and 49. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 sevens are 49. Here also 2 and 22. We can divide both by 2. That is 2 divided by 2. It is 1. 22 divided by 2. It is 11. So this becomes 11 into 7 meter into 49 divided by 2 meter. Here for 49 by 2 you can write 24.5 as we have done in the second question. But here I am going to multiply 11, 7 and 49. Then we will divide this product by 2. Now 11 into 7, that is 77 meter into 49 meter divided by 2. Now let us multiply 77 and 49. 7 nines are 63. Again 7 nines are 63 plus 6, 69. 4 sevens are 28. Again 28 plus 2, 30. Adding 3, 9 plus 8, 17. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 3. So we get 3773 divided by 2 meter square. Now we have to divide 3773 by 2. Here 2 ones are 2. When we subtract, we get 1 here, then bring down this 7. Now it is 17, so 2 8s are 16. Again we get 1, bring down 7. Again here we get 8. Again 16. Again 1, bring down 3. 6 2s are 12. Again when we subtract we get 1. Now there is no digit to bring down, so put a point. After that put a 0. Here also you have to put a point. Now bring down 0. Now it is 10, so 5 2s are 10. Now the remainder is 0. So this is equal to 1886.5, that is 1886.5 meters square. This is the area of this circular sheet. That is, here we have found the radius and area of this circular sheet. Hope it is clear to you, and I have uploaded videos regarding area and circumference of a circle. If you go through those videos, it will be useful. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.